Welcome to the WooCommerce to Sage 200 Sales Order Processing demonstration. In this video, we will place an order in WooCommerce. BPA Platform will download this to a staging database, then map and transform this to Sage 200. Once the order status is marked as dispatched, BPA Platform will synchronize this with WooCommerce. For this video, we will be integrating with Sage 200, but this can be configured to integrate with many other business systems. We will begin by creating an order in WooCommerce. For this demonstration, we will be using our WooCommerce demonstration store and adding some items to the cart. We will then proceed to checkout and place the order. If we switch over to the administration side of our demo store, we can see the order we have just placed has been marked as processing. In BPA Platform, we can see the WooCommerce tasks. Although these normally run automatically, for this demonstration, we will manually queue the source control task, which will trigger the rest of the tasks in sequence. The tasks will download the order from WooCommerce to the staging database. Once complete, we can open the staging database in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Here we can see the order has been downloaded with its matching order number. Back in BPA Platform, we will navigate to our Sage 200 Sales Order Tasks folder, and then queue the Site Control task. BPA Platform will then take the order from the staging database and map and transform this data to Sage 200. Now that the tasks have completed, we can open Sage 200. Let's check our order. We will navigate to Sales Order Processing, Sales Order List. Then we will click Refresh List and can now see the new order has appeared. If we open the order, we can see all the information from WooCommerce has been carried across, including the delivery address information. We will close this order and move on to the next stage in the process. With the order highlighted, we will click Dispatch. This will mark our order as dispatched in the sales order process stage. We will then save and close the order. In BPA Platform, with the Sage 200 Sales Order Task folder selected, although normally automated, we will manually queue the Sage 200 Sales Order Site Control task. This will collect orders marked as dispatched from Sage 200 to the staging database. We will now view the staging database to confirm this. Here we can see the dispatched order. BPA Platform will now take the order from the staging database to WooCommerce. We will navigate to the WooCommerce Sales Order Tasks folder and queue the source control task. When the tasks have completed, we can then open WooCommerce. From the order list page, if we refresh, we can see our order status has gone from processing to completed. And that's it for this video. We have demonstrated sales order integration between WooCommerce and Sage 200. For more information on BPA Platform integrations, call us or visit codelessplatforms.com. Thanks for watching.